Let's see how we can use custom evaluation metrics with Catboost. So first we load our libraries, then we load the Titanic dataset as a dummy example. But before we can put it through the machine learning model, we have to do a bit of data cleaning. So we see how many missing values are there, and then we replace the embarked missing values with the most common, which is S. Uh, and we don't replace missing values in the age column because it is a numerical column, and CatBoost will handle that for you. And to create the features, we drop survived and alive because they are the target, and we drop deck because it has 77% missing values, and we drop embark down because it is the same as embarked. After creating the features and the target data, we specify which are the categorical columns, and then we create the CatBoost dataset. Now, let's say that you want to use a custom evaluation metric like balance log loss. Then you can't just specify it as an eval metric and expect it to run. So let's see if we try that. Now we specify our model and we call fit on it. You'll see that it gives an error. It gives an error because it is not a built-in evaluation metric. For you to use a custom evaluation metric, you have to uh, define it using this particular format where it is you have to define three things: whether is max optimal, that means that is greater better. Then you have to define the get final error. Here you can make any modifications if you want to. I don't do so, I just return the error. And then you have to define the evaluate function within the class. Here the meat of your code lies where you will actually write the metric that you want. One thing to remember is that the approxes are the predictions, and you need to take approxes bracket 0 as the output, uh, because approxes is always goes in as a two-dimensional vector. All right. Below you can see the formula for balance log loss. If you want to read more about balance log loss, you can do so on my blog. Link is in the description. And now we code the balance log loss. As you can see, I am returning the error in get final error. Is max optimal is false because less is better for this evaluation metric. And I've written the evaluate function. I won't go much into detail. You can pause here and go through the function. All right. Now that we have coded up our balance log loss, let's call it in the model. So we once again specify our model, and then in the eval metric, we call our class balance log loss. You don't have to call the function, you just have to call the class, and Catboost expects the evaluate function to be within the class. And then we call model.fit. As you can see, the training went through without any errors. We can also see what the scores are, what is the ROCAC score, and what is the log loss, and what is the balance log loss. All right. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for such machine learning videos.